So, can you still get compensation if you're partially at fault for an accident? Maybe you were in a car accident and you got a ticket, as well as the other driver. Maybe the insurance company is telling you that you're partially at fault for the accident. The answer is that yes, in many instances, even if you're partially at fault for an accident, you still can get compensation, subject to certain limitations. So, let me talk about how that could work. So, imagine a scenario like this: it's an intersection accident. Two cars enter an intersection. The other driver's car has the right of way, but the other driver's car is speeding. So you may be cited for failure to grant the right of way, but the other driver, their speed was a factor in the collision. So you can possibly recover compensation in a scenario like that, so long as your negligence in causing the accident isn't greater than the other drivers. That's the way it works in Connecticut. If the other driver's negligence is equal to or greater than yours, then you can still get compensation. So a jury at the end of the day may say, listen, the other driver was 51% at fault for the accident and you were 49% at fault for the accident. If that happens, you still can recover compensation. What your damages end up being will be reduced by that 49% that you were found at fault, but you still can get compensation again, so long as your negligence wasn't greater than the other drivers. So if you're in a situation where you've been ticketed, perhaps the insurance company is telling you you're partially at fault for the accident, but you think the other person involved in the accident was partly to blame too, you should talk to a lawyer, examine whether or not you've got a claim that would warrant compensation.